All right, put some here. Here.
What kind of video you're making, Robbie?
Yeah.
Alright, bend over, let's make a video.
Traveling in a Friday copy.
Hi everyone, my name's RAWBIE'S and I'm building a muscle bike for a build off on the rat rod bike form. So this was the old seat. If you look in the pictures here and this 20-second video, you can see what it looks like. Well, I've been banging her out with hammer and dolly. I cleaned her all up and I got that one piece. As you can see right here, it's all nice and straight now. And I got the bottom piece done like this. Boom, like that. But I need to weld this. Doesn't matter. Let's get at her.
Trailhead full of zombie. I met a strange lady. She made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. And she said, "See you come from a land down under, where women glow and men plunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover." Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscles. I said, "Do you speak my language?" He just smiled and gave me a sausage sandwich. And he said, "I come from..."
So what I'm going to do is I got this old piece of metal, and what I'm going to do is, because it's so weak here and this is where you sit, I am going to, because this is going to be covered, this will be all covered, right? And then your bottom plate goes in, and it looks like I got a bit of room, so get this out of here. So I'm going to shape this, see the contour of this, and just tack it in.
Down under, we better throw and let you know. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover.
It doesn't have to look pretty, because it's going to get covered anyways. So,
Lying in a den in Bombay with a slack jaw and not much to say.
Just like that. Tack this up. And on to the next one.
Hear the thunder. You better run, you better take cover.
Perfect. Just a few tacks. Oh. Grind that down, and she's fine. So follow me. You can find me on YouTube, Robbie Boards, at Robbie Boards Show. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and watch me transform this beautiful bike, which I will show in the next episode. And this seat all fixed and repaired. Peace out, everyone.